welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that every car owner should be aware of: transmission issues. Whether you drive an automatic or a manual, understanding the symptoms of transmission problems can save you time, money, and a lot of headaches. In this video, we'll explore the most common signs of transmission trouble and provide practical solutions to help you keep your vehicle running smoothly. So, let's get started. Automatic transmission symptoms. 1. Slipping gears. The transmission unexpectedly changes gears or slips out of gear. Fix. Check fluid levels. Low fluid can cause slipping. If levels are fine, it may require a fluid change or a professional inspection. 2. Delayed engagement. A noticeable delay when shifting from park to drive or reverse. Fix. Check transmission fluid for contamination. A fluid flush may help, but persistent issues could indicate internal problems. 3. Unusual noises, grinding, whining, or clunking sounds when shifting. Fix. Inspect the fluid condition. If it's dark or has a burnt smell, a fluid change is necessary. If noises persist, seek professional help. 4. Warning lights. The check engine light or transmission warning light appears. Fix. Use an OBD2 scanner to read the error codes. Depending on the code, it might require simple fixes or more extensive repairs. 5. Fluid leaks. Puddles of red or brown fluid under the vehicle. Fix. Identify the source of the leak, e.g., seals, gaskets, and replace the faulty components. Manual transmission symptoms. 1. Difficulty shifting gears. Hard to move the gear stick or gears grinding during shifts. Fix. Check for low transmission fluid. Topping off may help. If the clutch is worn, it may need replacement. 2. Clutch slippage. The engine revs higher than normal without an increase in speed. Fix. Adjust or replace the clutch if it's worn out or improperly adjusted. 3. Unusual noises. Grinding sounds when shifting or strange noises while driving. Fix. Inspect the clutch and transmission for wear. If noises persist, a professional inspection is recommended. 4. Fluid leaks. Oil spots under the car, often darker than automatic transmission fluid. Fix. Locate the source of the leak and repair any damaged seals or gaskets. 5. Burning smell. A burning odor could indicate overheating due to slippage or low fluid levels. Fix. Stop driving immediately and check fluid levels. If low, refill and assess for leaks. If the smell persists, consult a mechanic. General tips: regular maintenance. Keep up with fluid changes as recommended by your vehicle's manufacturer. Check fluid levels. Regularly inspect transmission fluid levels and quality. Consult a professional. If symptoms persist despite DIY attempts, it's best to take the vehicle to a qualified mechanic for a thorough diagnosis.